Hello and welcome to a new video of Easy Power BI. And in this video, we are going to discuss VCAD Custom Visual. For VCAD Custom Visual, you can incorporate 3D drawings and 3D structures in a predefined format, which is IFC, which is Industry Foundation Classes format. So before we work on VCAD, this need to be understood that this is a custom visual which is not currently available on the app source. For that, you have to visit the BIM services website and register yourself. And from the template file which you download, it is already incorporated in it, so you can use that custom visual in your reports, and you can incorporate 3D drawings in your reports. So this particular example which I'm showing you, I have made it for a meetup which I've conducted recently. So in this I have incorporated a simple structure, and to make this structures look similar to my report, I have incorporated custom branding like floor, custom colors. Based on that, it is now, if you can see that these colors are very much synced with the reporting colors I'm using over here. So I'll just simply walk through the whole process, like how you can include such diagrams in your reports. So there are different websites in which you can download these files, and you can visit my blog easypowerbi.com, and there is a complete blog mentioned over there which has all those details, like from where you can download those IFC files. But this video is specifically for a quick walkthrough, like how you can incorporate these 3D structures, building BIM drawings into your reports. And this has so many use cases. Like in this particular case, I have incorporated the contractors and assigned floor data, which is simple data, which I'm using it over here to club this information with this diagram, so we can identify like which contractor is assigned which floor. Like over here, this particular contractor is assigned on work on both floors, but this particular construction company or a contractor is assigned only this floor. So you can identify like what kind of work is associated on which floor. So apart from contractor, I've associated the work type, like heat insulations is only related to the top floor, while the woodwork is related to both floors. So things like that. This is just a simple example to show you how you can incorporate this in your report. Now, to start working with BIM services, first you have to create an account. And once you create an account and you log into your BIM services account, I've already logged in myself. So you'll see that there is a file manager screen. And in this screen, you have all those drawings you have already uploaded. So with this option to upload IFC files, you can select any file from your system and you can upload. Once that file is uploaded, you can see that file over here. So if you see in my folder, I have this particular file which I've already uploaded. So this is a simple procedure to upload those files from this upload button. Once it's uploaded, you can preview it, like how this file is appearing, because if your uploading is successful, it should appear perfectly over here. So this gives you a kind of uh, confirmation that your image is uploaded perfectly. So now you can start working on this particular uh, image, or you can say this drawing, which is in IFC format. To start your work, there is the easiest way is to download the templates available with this. Like if you click over here, there are different templates: assets, spaces, assets and space color, assets and space details. So any of these templates you can download. I usually download this one, assets and space details, but this I can see a new template with assets and space colors as well. And there are some documentation available with this particular one. I have not tried it yet, but this is a new template which is over here. But once you download it, it is a kind of a pre-cooked report based on the drawing which you have uploaded. So if you'll see my example, I have made this example, and I have hidden these two pages which are coming by default, like this space colors and asset colors pages are there. In assets, this is actually giving me the whole details of the assets involved in this particular image. So if I click on beam or any other area, so it can be like I can select that particular part, and it will show me like only those parts which are selected over here. So this is a kind of a default file which is available, and you can go and walk through this particular example to understand like how this uh, VCAD Custom Visual is working and what kind of information it is grabbing from this particular diagram. So over here, if you see that there are assets and floors and spaces, these are three specific areas from where this is grabbing information, and other tables are related to additional information related to flows, additional information related to space and assets and attributes and asset attributes. So all, if you'll see that this is the basic information like asset, floor and spaces, and all other information is related to that. But the contractors table which you can see over here is actually a custom table which I have incorporated. So in this particular table I have mentioned, like if I see the contractor part, like which contractor is working on which floor and what kind of work is assigned to that particular contractor. So in this case, I have assigned different works to different contractors, and with this example, it is clearly understood like how this example is clubbed with this actual diagram. So if there are ground floor and first floor, so if I go to this floor table, you'll see that I have this floor name in English, first floor and ground floor. So the relationship which I've built is based on these names. So the file, the data file, I have created a relationship with the floor name English, which I have decided I've incorporated over here. So in the contractor, this floor master which I've created as well, in which only the floor names are mentioned, and I've created relationship over here. So based on that, whatever I'm going to do on this particular visual, it's going to incorporate the same with my diagram. So here, once you create a report, uh, the steps which are required, like first of all you have to upload your diagram, the IFC file, to VCAD BIM services website. From here, once it's loaded, you can check through preview, and after that preview, you have verified like if it's perfectly uploaded, then you can download the template over here. And once that template is downloaded, you can start working on those examples. So you can incorporate any kind of data like for project management or uh, assets, the work assigned, the people who are working on it, or things like that. So you have all possibilities with you. This is a very simple structure, but there are lot many complex structures. If you'll see that I've experimented on other drawings as well. So other drawings are comparatively complex. Like this is a complex structure which is a bigger building. In the same manner, if you go to other uh, designs, so for this particular video I have selected the simplest one, but you can try different one. And as I said, that you can go to my blog, and there are all useful links available over there, so you can go and grab like from where you can uh, get these files and do some practice on BIM services. So so hope this video is helpful for you, and this will help you in starting your journey in VCAD. Thank you for watching.